Best cheddar comparison. Cheese slicers are an essential tool for anyone who enjoys cheese, whether it's for charcuterie boards, sandwiches, or gourmet cooking. These tools allow for precise slicing, ensuring consistent thickness and presentation. This comparison evaluates 5 popular cheese slicers ranging from budget. List number: Bosa Stainless Steel Cheese Slicer. The Bosa Stainless Steel Cheese Slicer is a lightweight, multifunctional tool designed for slicing semi-hard and hard cheeses, as well as grating vegetables and citrus fruits. Its hollow handle makes it easy to maneuver, while the stainless steel construction ensures durability. The slicer is dishwasher safe, maintaining its sharpness over time, making it a convenient choice for busy kitchens. In testing, the Bosa slicer performed well with semi-hard cheeses like cheddar and Gouda, producing clean, even slices. However, it struggled slightly with very hard cheeses like Parmesan. The hollow handle, while lightweight, may feel less sturdy for users with larger hands. Its non-stick blade is a standout feature, ensuring cheese doesn't stick during slicing, which is ideal for high-volume use. List: Zoule Kitchen Stainless Steel Wire Cheese Slicer. The Zoule Kitchen Wire Cheese Slicer is a durable, adjustable tool designed to cut cheese blocks up to 3.8 inches wide. Its zinc aluminum alloy construction provides sturdiness, while the adjustable wire allows users to customize slice thickness. It comes with 2 replacement wires, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. During testing, this slicer excelled in slicing soft and semi-hard cheeses like brie and cheddar. The ergonomic design and large roller made slicing effortless. Though it struggled with harder cheeses like Parmesan, users appreciated the ability to adjust slice thickness, making it a versatile option for charcuterie boards or recipes requiring precision. List number: OXO Good Grips Non-Stick Cheese Slicer. The OXO Good Grips Cheese Slicer features a sharp blade for effortless slicing and a non-stick head to prevent cheese from sticking. Its sleek design and soft, non-slip handle provide comfort during use, making it suitable for kitchen-to-table appeal. The slicer is dishwasher safe, adding convenience to its functionality. In testing, the OXO slicer delivered smooth, consistent slices for soft and semi-hard cheeses, like mozzarella and Gouda. The non-stick head performed exceptionally well, reducing cleanup time. However, its blade struggled with harder cheeses, requiring more effort. The soft grip handle was a favorite among testers, providing comfort during extended use. List 4. Soapedo Stainless Steel Wire Cheese Slicer with 3 Extra. The Soapedo Stainless Steel Wire Cheese Slicer is a budget-friendly option with adjustable thickness settings. Made from zinc alloy and stainless steel, it offers durability and resistance to stains and corrosion. Its ergonomic design ensures ease of use, making it suitable for everyday cheese slicing tasks. This slicer performed well with soft and semi-hard cheeses, producing even slices with minimal effort. The adjustable wire was easy to use, allowing for customization of slice thickness. However, the construction felt less robust compared to higher-priced models, and it struggled with harder cheeses. For its price, it offers excellent value for casual users. List number 5. Cheese Slicer Accessories Kitchen Knife Cheese Cutter. The Zoule EZSW Cheese Slicer Kit is a premium option designed for versatility and customization. It includes 4 slicers and 12 replacement wires, making it ideal for creating giftable cheese cutting boards. The copper and stainless steel construction ensures durability, while its multi-purpose design accommodates various cheese types. In testing, the Zoule DZSW kit proved effective for both soft and hard cheeses, including cheddar and Parmesan. The inclusion of multiple slicers and wires offers great value for users who frequently slice cheese or host events. However, the higher price point may deter casual users, and the slicers require hand washing for maintenance.